How to add a phone to Find My iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. The Find My app is a powerful tool that helps locate lost or misplaced Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs, and AirPods, AirTags, and even allows users to share their location with friends and family. It combines the functionality of the former Find My iPhone and Find My Friends apps into one integrated experience. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Devices. Over here, you can view all the devices that are added. Then, tap on the plus icon on the right. Select Add Other Item. Here, tap on Turn on Bluetooth. Now, go back and open up the Settings app. Go to your account at the top. Tap on Find My. Go to Find My iPhone. On this page, turn on the Find My Network feature. Following these steps, you can easily add a phone to Find My iPhone.